Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to download and install Facebook app on your smartwatch. So let's begin our video. First of all, you just need to connect the internet on your smartwatch. That's why I swipe down and there have two options, SIM data and Wi-Fi. I select Wi-Fi. So right now you just need to find out Play Store. So here you can see, just open it and go to search bar and type FB and then search it. So right now here you can see, simply select install and you just need to wait for complete installing. So after completely installed, you just need to go back to your smartwatch homepage and here you can see this is Facebook. Just open it. So here you can see Facebook already installed and you just need to give your Gmail and password and you can easily use it. Thank you everyone for watching this video.